thinking about burnout prevention, I think that burnout is a word that we use so much. However, what it fundamentally means to every one of us is very different. It could mean that you're physically stressed. It could mean that you're mentally stressed. It can mean that you're grumpy. It can mean that you're hungry. I think that don't my suggestion is to not say you're burned out and use it as a token word, but really lean into what does burnout mean for you, look like to you? Are you experiencing it? Know that that's totally normal, especially as a physician who went to then be an entrepreneur without an MBA, like I did in my case. And know that you have this entire community of independent physicians or people who are looking to do independent practice who will be able to, be a sounding board. And I say that because as a person talking with you right now, I've had those moments where I'm like, I'm going to lose my mind and it's still okay the next day, but I really felt like I was going to lose my mind while in my private practice.